This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cure vitamin B12 deficiency. First, recognize the common signs like persistent fatigue, muscle weakness, or tingling sensations. If you suspect a deficiency, it's crucial to consult your doctor. They will perform a simple blood test to accurately measure your vitamin B12 levels and confirm the diagnosis, guiding your next steps. For severe deficiencies, vitamin B12 injections are often the most effective solution. These shots deliver the vitamin directly into your muscle, bypassing any absorption issues in the digestive system. Your doctor will determine the frequency, which might start with daily or weekly injections. This ensures a rapid increase in your B12 levels, helping alleviate symptoms quickly. If your deficiency is milder, or you prefer not to have injections, oral vitamin B12 supplements can be very effective. Even with some absorption challenges, high-dose pills, often ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily, can provide sufficient B12. Always follow your healthcare provider's specific dosage recommendations for best results. Curing a B12 deficiency involves ongoing management. Regular blood tests will help monitor your vitamin levels and adjust your treatment plan as needed. Incorporating B12-rich foods such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products into your diet is beneficial. Also, consider fortified cereals or plant-based milks to maintain healthy levels long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.